Yeah, I'm just curious, and then we'll move on. Is how much of this is just affecting the state of California, or are we seeing this across the U.S.?
Anecdotal evidence is it's affecting the whole country. Because you have to consider, there are, and we all know the names. There's the major carriers that most of us are aware of. State Farm and Allstate and so forth. Farmers. Um, these companies, though they're nationwide companies, they have loss exposure maybe in certain states, Florida because of hurricanes, California because of wildfires or landslides or flooding perhaps. And so that can affect the company overall, so that when you have these certain hotspots, um, maybe a bad choice of words in terms of what happened in LA recently, but when you have these disasters in certain locations, it can still affect the company overall, so that it's going to have a trickle down effect, if you will, to homeowners in other states where maybe there isn't a major issue with any disasters in terms of what their premiums are going to be, simply because those companies still have to make a profit, and they've got to make up for it somehow. And a couple of bad areas causes premiums to go up for everyone.
What do you think if you're discussing it at all? I just recently listened to a fairly long program on the shift of insurance, homeowners insurance, and that we ought to be building homes that are less likely to suffer from disaster. Now, in this particular conversation, because again, it's on everyone's mind, is the LA fires, to make them so that they are fire resistant.